Hello and welcome guys. Hope you're doing well. Welcome in this video. So in this video we are going to implement the remaining stuff in the home screen. As you guys can see, we have this beautiful profile image, and after this we have this text editing controller. We have already implemented this but need to do some little bit adjustment in the styles. After this we will be implementing this location icon and notification icon, and also the very small bottom navigation symbol, right? So basically this car icon will be implemented when we will be implementing the backend, because these icons will be coming from a location or itself from Firebase, right? So now let's get started. Okay guys, you can see the current implementation that we have. In order to show user image, I'm using a dummy image right over here. I have registered assets and person.png. So let's show this. Instead of green color, I'm going to open home.dart screen that basically contain this screen. Okay, build profile tile is basically the widget that I have created that represents this tile. So let's replace this circle avatar of green color instead with the image that we have already. Let's remove this circle avatar and use a container, and let's give it width of 40, also height of 40. Let's do some decoration. Box shape dot circle, and now we have to provide the background image or image. It takes decoration image, and inside decoration image we have to provide asset image. Okay, and our image is inside assets folder, then person.png. So this is the file that we are going to use. You guys can see we have right over here, but it's very small. Let's first of all call the fit method. Okay, fit, and we have to call box fit dot fill. Let's see the result. Okay, so basically I think our width and height is quite small. Let's increase it a little bit, and yeah, that's now looks good. So after this let's work on the text field. If I click on this, you guys can see the cursor is starting from the very beginning. We should have a little bit padding, and also as per the design we have to improve it a little bit. Okay, where is the design? Okay, you guys can see we have this decoration for the text. Search for a destination as a hint, and we have to apply their text style inside this. So let's do this. I think I have controller the custom widget for it. It is right over here. Let's provide the hint. Yeah, you guys can see we have searched for a destination. Now let's give some content padding. Dot only from the left. Let's give it a 20 pixel from the left. Okay, dot top, or let's don't use this property. Instead of this property we can give padding to the container. So I think now it looks good. It's not starting from the very start, or we can increase it more. No, it's good. Let's get the properties. So the hand should be 16, bold and Poppins. Okay, hand style, Google fonts dot. We have to search for Poppins, and we have to provide font size of 16. Font weight should be bold. Okay. Yeah, now it looks perfect. We have this ready. Let's work on these two icons. So as you guys can see, we have this current location icon, and then we have this notification icon. At the one is at the bottom left and another is at the bottom right. So let's use align widget. And if I close the keyboard, you guys also can see we have plus and minus controls. So we have to remove this, and this control are coming from the Google Map widget. Let's see how we can remove this. Now we have Google Map, and inside this we have property called zoom controls enabled, so we have to make it false. If I restart it, and you guys can see the controls are now removed. Now let's implement the other two widgets as well. I'm going to create another widget, build current location icon. Yeah, let's move this icon to the bottom right. Now it looks perfect. So we have to decrease radius little bit. Yeah, I think that's it. Now let's give some padding from the top, sorry, from the bottom and from the right. Wrap this circle avatar with the padding widget and change all to only bottom. Let's try 8, and right also 8. Yeah, I think that's the position that I was looking for. Okay, let's use a icon. Inside circle avatar we have child, and here we have to provide icon. Icons dot bell. Okay, so sorry, it's change, it's not a notification, it's a current location. Let me search for the icon. Location. I think that one will be better, my location. Yeah, and also we have to give it a white color. Perfect. Let's build notification icon. Build. So this background color is white, colors dot white, and we have to provide child icons dot, I think notification icon will be better, this one. And we have right over here. Let's move it to the bottom left. That's great. So we have policy of Google Map, and they are sure, and it stated that if you want to use Google Map in your location, so you should not hide this Google text right over here, right? So this is the privacy policy of using Google Map. So let's do some padding so it is visible to the user that we are using Google Map. Also we have to increase a little bit more, 25, 30. Yeah, Google is now visible. Now let's move this icon to, from the bottom we have to make it 30 as the other icon, right? And we have a little bit gray type of color to the icon, and the color is this one. Let's use this color for the icon. That's great. uh, Now one thing is remaining. Let's work on this. Okay guys, we have created a widget that contain a line, and the position is bottom center, that have very empty container. Let's give it width, get dot width multiply by 0.8. So this means it will contain 80% of the width. And for height, let's use 50 for now, and let's apply some box decoration. Okay, as you guys can see, we have this container and their top right and top left are rounded, so we have to do same. And the border radius that it have is 12. Okay, border radius, border radius dot only top right radius dot circular, and it's 12. Also we have to apply on the top left side radius dot circular and 12. Okay, it's not visible, right? Let's give it a colors. And yeah guys, it's now visible. Let me change the color so you guys can see it more clearly. So yeah, basically the size of the container, the height especially is greater than the Figma file. Let's reduce this to 30, and now it looks good. I think 25 will be better. Yeah, that's great. Let's implement some shadow on it. So basically I am using 5% of the black. So basically this is the 5% of black color, right? This is known as opacity, and the spread radius should be 4 and blur radius should be 10. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, let me change the color to white again. Yeah guys, it's now look very good. So one thing is remaining. Let's use this bar. So we have to create a child for it, and we have to use a center with another child container, and width should be get dot width multiplied by 0.6. So 60% of the height width, and height should be 4. Let's give it a colors dot uh, black 45. And that's it guys. So hopefully you have enjoyed the video, and let's figure it out further in the next video. Thank you guys.